Just a quick one, guys. Removing the headlight from the Triton. We're just going to remove the 2 bolts from the top there. And then you've got 1 bolt from the bottom here that needs to be removed. You can see that side there is still in. Light on that. Because taking this headlight out as well, I need to get to the wiring. So that's this mount here. Goes in just down there. So you got the goes in like that there. You need to remove this mount. Now somebody put a soft tappet in on this one and on the other side, which made it extra hard to get off. But once you get that out, then it's just those 2 top ones there. So now we can just take the light out, which is easy enough. Just get it off the square piece there. And that's it, lights out. I just need to undo the connections and off I go. That's pretty much it. So very simple with the Triton. Alright, cheers guys.